Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. In order to do this, you first have to launch your WhatsApp mobile application, and then you need to tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner and then tap on settings. Now once you are in your settings, you need to tap on the option of chats, and here you need to make sure that the toggle button right next to media visibility is turned on. If it is turned off, then you can get the blurry profile picture error in your WhatsApp application. So you need to make sure that it is turned on. Still, if you are facing the same problem, then what you need to do is to simply update your WhatsApp app. In order to update it, you need to launch your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar you will have to search for WhatsApp and check whether you are getting any update or not. As you can see over here that I'm currently getting an update for my WhatsApp account. So if you are getting the same, then you will have to tap on the update button, and once it is updated successfully, you simply need to launch it, and then you need to again view your profile picture and see whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then the third method that you can use to fix this issue is to simply check your internet connection. Now, when your internet connection is not stable or when it is slow, then the profile picture does not load, and then you will be able to see the blurry profile picture. So if you see that your internet connection is not working properly or if it is slow, then you can try this trick. For that, you need to just navigate to the notification bar in the top, and here you will be able to see this airplane mode. So you just have to turn on the airplane mode, and after 5 seconds you just have to turn it off. So what this will do is it will refresh your internet connection, and now your internet speed will be increased with this method. Now once this step is done, you again have to launch your WhatsApp, and now you will notice that the problem of the blurry profile picture is not here. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.